The Samsung Galaxy A57 5G hasn't officially hit shelves yet, but it's already the talk of the internet. Over the last 48 hours, leaked hands-on videos and promotional images from sources like social media, giving us a world-exclusive look at what's coming this March 2026. Stripping away the mystery, the first thing you notice in these leaks is the silhouette. Samsung is chasing a super slim aesthetic, with the A57 measuring just 6.9 millimeters thick and weighing a light 179 grams. The irony? While flagships are getting heavier with massive camera bumps, this mid-ranger is leaning into a unibody metal design that feels incredibly refined. It even features the updated key Island 2.0, where the buttons sit on a slightly raised edge for better grip. The conflict for many fans will be the internal trade-offs. The leaked specs confirm a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a new Exynos 1680 chipset. To keep this thin frame from overheating, Samsung has reportedly packed in its largest ever vapor chamber. However, the lesson from these social media leaks is clear. The microSD slot is gone. You'll have to rely on the 128GB or 256GB internal storage for your 4K video shot on the 50MP main sensor. With Android 16 and One UI 8.5 expected out of the box, this leak suggests Samsung is betting on software and style over old-school hardware features.